your perfect week, how to design your time for maximum success. For maximum success, how you can design your time, your week for maximum success. So very simple. Are you controlling your week? Your week or your week is controlling you? Very important. There is a difference in there. Are you controlling your week? Okay, this week. These are the activities I require to do that. Are you controlling the week or the week is going to control you? Think honestly. Meetings coming randomly, calls anytime, you are getting the calls anytime, work without a plan. At the end of the week, you are always going to you feel tired but not satisfied. You feel fully tired but not satisfied. But not satisfied. What is the problem here? You are not controlling your week. Your week is controlling you. Are you living life by your design or by default? By design or by default? This is the most important point, sir. Successful people don't manage time daily. They won't design the time daily. They design their entire week. They design their entire week. Okay, in this week. These are the important activities. I require to do that. I require to do. These are the important activities. I require to do that. My concentration, in this week, my total concentration should be on these activities only. If you plan like that, then automatically you are going to control your week. Your week, you are going to live your life by design. Boss, tomorrow this one I want to do. Day after tomorrow, this is my activity. Like you have some plan, you have some direction is there. If you are not having any plan, randomly any call is coming, any work is coming, you are doing and so on. At the end of the week, what I did, what I achieved, nothing will be there. This point you people should aware. Your perfect week, how to design your time for maximum success. For maximum success. This is the main problem. What the people are facing, right? They won't design. They won't design the week. Randomly, they are going to do the things. At the end of the week, what we achieved means nothing will be there.